Hi, today I'm with me Huawei MatePad SE and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the feeds on your device. So just to do that, we should first hold for a while the home screen of our device, and after that just click here to launcher settings. Then tap to your feed, and just to turn them off we should click once on the switcher. Let's tap to the home button, and now we can see that all the feeds they are just turned off successfully. To turn them off, once again hold for a while the empty space on your home screen, click to the launcher settings and tap to your feed to activate the switcher. And to activate the feeds, click on the switcher, and now let's just check it, and we can see that we just successfully activate. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.